So, what is fundamental dishonesty? Now, a concept that you would think should be fairly well bedded in, came about as part of the reforms in 2013 in relation to costs, and that we can see is the part that is incorporated into the civil procedure rules, Rule 4416, as an element of the qualified one-way cost shifting regime. The second place where we see fundamental dishonesty is in Section 57 of the Criminal Justice and Courts Act 2015, so a couple of years later. And essentially, we've got the two different types because, first of all, one is related to the claims, whether it is per se. Howlett and Davies is the leading Court of Appeal decision when it comes to the notice requirements. And again, the handout has the extracts from that case. And what effectively the Court of Appeal told us at paragraph 31 is that the requirements are that the claimant need only have had adequate warning and opportunity to deal with the matters being relied upon. And as you can tell, that's quite a flexible set of wording. Now, in Howlett, it involved a road traffic collision. The insurer was effectively running the defence, and they had lots of concerns about whether the accident was genuine, whether it was sufficient to cause injury, whether the people present were actually in the car. It had all of these concerns, and it raised them in the defence by way of effectively saying these are concerns. So dealing with the client, with the claimant, who is fundamentally going to be on the receiving end of this allegation, the errors, if they come about, are likely to be theirs. So they have to make sure that they're being accurate, tell them that fact, and again, challenge them on it. A claimant might say that they no longer walk the dog. They might actually go out for the dog walks with their partner or the children who physically hold the dog's lead. So they still are walking the dog, they're just not holding the lead. So that's an example, perhaps, of where your clients need to understand about where their precision as to what they can or can't do is important.